film this now. I've already been filming some clips, but I need to film an intro. I thought I would give this another college try, LOL. I've been on YouTube for a minute, but every year I'm like, I'm gonna do Vlogmas. Last year I was set on it, and then some live events happened within 2 episodes in, and then I was not in a place that I could be vlogging my life. If you've been here for a minute, you know what's up. But this year is my year. I'm gonna call it Vlog-idays, but I feel like to get picked up by the algorithm, I need to say Vlogmas. But you know, happy holidays to everyone. I think I'm gonna do these I missed the first few days of December, sorry. I've just been still like getting content for the move-in vlog, so I couldn't really do both at the same time. I just hit my 2 weeks of being in my new place. So yeah, I feel like this will be a good month. I'm gonna be alone primarily the whole month. I'm not going home for the holidays. Still gonna do other videos because I just have some ideas planned that I'd like to get done before the new year as well. So you're getting a lot of videos this month if everything goes according to plan. Yeah, and I'm excited to just like be vlogging. Tore up my whole living room. I'm sure there could have been an easier way for me to make my dance floor, but I did it. Okay, we're gonna dance. I also might have a forward space discount for you guys because they reached out to me because I tagged them on IG, and I think they offered to make me, it's not an affiliate code, but it's just like a little, I think like a trial thing probably for you guys.
Your towel, make sure you have your water, and then you pack your breath with you. To drop into our space, to drop into our...
Because that was the first time I've done that in a few weeks. And I'm so tired, but it was so good. Music, dancing, lifts my mood. There's a part where I was just like going really hard because I was feeling the beat, and I almost started crying. Overcome with some type of emotion. I wasn't not out of sad, but I was just like, got chills all over my body. It was really nice. Liquid IV always. But yeah, really love my dance workouts. Hello, I did my workout, I took a shower, I ate some leftover Chinese food, which I told myself I wasn't gonna do, but I can't let it go to waste. So I kind of scarfed that down. And then I just remembered that I want to foster a dog for this winter, or until it's ready to be adopted. This apartment building allows you to have dogs, like it's just in the lease, you can have a dog if you want. And I've never been in an apartment that let you do that. Why would I not foster a dog? I can take it on walks. It'll help me get out of the house this winter. We're going into lockdown again, or at least I'm putting myself into lockdown again for the most part. And I think it could be a really nice way to like keep my spirits up this winter. It'll keep me maybe more happy this winter. If I have a little pup, it'll teach me to not be attached to things, because I know that I'm playing with a little bit of fire, because every dog I've ever had in my family is because we've been at the Humane Society, and then I beg my parents to adopt it all of my childhood, which we had 4 dogs. I know that that's my history, but I also know that I would like to be able to travel in the future and not be tied down, unfortunately, so I cannot get a pet permanently. I could be a really good foster. I'm at home all the time, always, not even just with lockdown, but before that, because I work from home, and I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be really good. Okay, so I got it up. I didn't think that was gonna work. And then I made such a good dinner thanks to Green Chef, which is the sponsor of today's video. You guys know I love working with them because they're my favorite. If you haven't heard of them yet, Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company. They have these amazing meal delivery kits. They cater to a wide variety of diets. They have paleo, keto, vegetarian, vegan. Obviously, we're rolling with the vegan as always. I have tried so many meals from them and I truly have yet to have one that I didn't love. They've definitely opened my eyes to so many new foods and recipes and things that maybe I hadn't prepared before and took all of the scariness and fear out of it. They take all of the planning, prepping, grocery shopping, all of that out of the way, which is really great and really nice in a time like this. I always say they're a great way if you're looking to transition into a new diet like vegan and incorporate more vegan meals into your life. This is a great way to do so because they always turn out so fire and delicious and their sauces are so good. They just taste like restaurant quality meals, and yeah, they incorporate a variety of organic ingredients into each kit. They focus on sustainably sourced ingredients. So yeah, overall, I'm always just very pleased with them. I think they're great for the holiday season and trying out some new meals while you are indoors. So if you'd like to give them a go to greenchef.us/whereilive80 and use the code whereilive80 to get $80 off and free shipping on your first box. We got a West Elm package. They've been doing a lot of holiday sales, so I kind of I just waited until they were doing like bigger sales so I could get a few things that I've been eyeing on there for the apartment. West Elm can be very expensive, but they're pretty affordable. A new towel. I love when towels go on sales because towels are so expensive. Glad they shipped it all in one box. I love that. I got these is what I was waiting for. I got all these hooks, these longer hooks so I can hang up my towels in my bathroom finally because they've just been laying everywhere. These Eco Stay pads for under like my big rugs so they don't slip everywhere because that is my pet peeve of life is when your rugs slip every single time you walk on them. I got this is actually gonna be, looks like it'll be the perfect size. It's been a minute. I told you guys if I didn't get a planter for this here nice plant we've had. Oh, why is it dying? It needs to be watered. That's why it needs to be watered, but it can't be because it leaks. Oh, styrofoam. Honestly, not on packaging though. Pretty minimal packaging for how much they could have used. Oh, yes, okay, cool. This is definitely big enough. I might get another one while I'm at it. Not completely my style, but this was like $40 and it's a 14-inch planter, which usually they're so expensive. So I'm gonna repot this right now because she's been waiting for too long to be repotted and she's looking a little dusty. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice towel. I'm about to take a shower. Whenever I do anything. Oh yeah, no worries. But you know what? This is why I need a farmhouse and an animal sanctuary so I can make a mess. That's my personality type, messy. It looks good though. I'm gonna give her some TLC. She's gonna get some fertilizer and some water, and that's all you really need.
Oh, I see it's filled with white, so we lead into the night. Oh, the tide is overdrawn. Oh, the tide is
I do is drill holes. I actually love power tools. Like, they're just very fun. I like building things, but I got these little acrylic shelves, lucite shelves to put on the walls right here. I needed a certain size because my bathroom is oddly divided by poles and beams and like weird things like that. And this cabinet is like slanted and doesn't actually really have that much storage, so that's why I'm needing some extra storage for the walls. I know we're deep in Vlogmas and I still haven't posted a vlog yet, but I swear once I get this first one up, we'll be good. December 7th, I've already filmed some B-roll for a video that I needed. I have a meeting with my psychiatrist, and then I have therapy because it's Monday at 12. My allergies are raging today and my skin is so dry because I feel like it just really shifted to that winter where my hair gets really crispy and dry and my skin gets dry. We just hit that point, and so maybe tonight we'll be doing some deep hydrating things. Maybe we'll do a hair mask and like a scalp cleanse or something. My hair just feels disgusting. Like, it feels really dry. It hasn't felt this way in a long time. My skin feels the same way. Eyes feel like a little bit off from my allergies. I don't know. Just like not feeling super good today.
For your space. Alright, if I'm moving and you have to
I don't want to do this today, but I'm making myself because it'll make me feel better. And yeah, I'm wearing the same set as yesterday. Sue me.
Because I started so young, I first of all understood that no one expected me to have a lot of knowledge.
And I don't wanna drown, but I can't swim around, so I'll save my tears year after year.
End this vlog here. There's more coming of this Vlogmas. I think once I get this first one out, they'll start flowing out. I asked you guys on Instagram if you like had any topics you wanted me to cover, which I've been reading through those. So in the next videos, I'll definitely get to that and maybe like make more like topics within the vlogs. So it's not just like the same thing every day, because I know this month is gonna be probably a little bit boring because we're not doing much, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm just having a little brekkie. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Leave me in the comments below if there's anything you want me to like do or cover, or if you'd like song and dance. I don't know. Definitely check out Green Chef below. If you go to greenchef.us/where-80, you can get $80 off plus free shipping on your first box. So that's pretty cool. And I will see you guys in the next one.